Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking for some fresh vegetables and fruits. Do you have any good deals today?
Yes, of course. We have a great selection of fresh produce. Our tomatoes are very ripe and sweet today. They're on sale for $2 per pound. And if you're interested in fruit, our apples are just $1.50 per pound. We also have some seasonal berries, blueberries and strawberries, both very fresh.
That sounds good. I'll have a look at the tomatoes. Can you tell me if they're organic?
Yes, these tomatoes are organic, grown locally at a farm just 10 miles from here. They're pesticide-free and full of flavour. We also try to support local farmers as much as possible.
That's great. I prefer to buy organic. I'll take 2 pounds of tomatoes. Also, can you recommend any vegetables that are good for making a salad?
Sure. For salads, I'd recommend our cucumbers, which are really crisp right now. They're $1 each and they're also locally grown. You might also want to add some bell peppers. We have red, yellow and green ones. They're $3 for a pack of 4.
That sounds good. I'll take 2 cucumbers and a pack of bell peppers. Do you have any lettuce? I didn't see any on display.
Yes, we do have lettuce. It's in the fridge to keep it fresh. We have both romaine and iceberg lettuce. The romaine is $2 per head and the iceberg is $1.50 per head.
I'll take 1 romaine lettuce, please. I like it because it's crunchy and holds up well in salads. What other fruits are in season right now?
Well, we have a lot of fresh options. As I mentioned earlier, our apples are a great deal. But we also have peaches, which are very sweet this time of year, and they're $2.50 per pound. The berries are always popular. Blueberries and strawberries are in season and very juicy. Blueberries are $3 for a small container, and strawberries are $4 for a large one.
I love strawberries. I'll take a large container of those. And the peaches sound delicious too. I'll get 3 pounds of peaches. Could you pick some that are ripe but not too soft? I want to eat them over the next few days.
Absolutely, I'll choose some that are perfectly ripe but will last a few days. Here, these should be good for a while.
Thank you. Now, do you sell any dairy products? I'm looking for some cheese to go with my salad.
Yes, we do. We have a small selection of cheeses. For salads, I'd recommend our feta cheese. It's $5 for a small block, and it crumbles perfectly on top of salads. We also have fresh mozzarella, which is very mild and creamy. That's $6 for a ball.
I love feta. I'll take a block of that. I think it will go well with the tomatoes and cucumbers. Do you also sell any bread? I'd like something to go with the salad and cheese.
We do. We have fresh baked baguettes for $3 each. They're great with salads and cheeses and they have a nice crisp crust.
Perfect. I'll take 1 baguette too. I think that will complete my meal for today.
Wonderful. Let me just weigh everything and add it up for you. So we have 2 pounds of tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, a pack of bell peppers, 1 head of romaine lettuce, 3 pounds of peaches, a large container of strawberries, a block of feta cheese and 1 baguette. That comes to $28.50.
That's not too bad for everything I'm getting. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can pay with a credit card, debit card or even mobile payments like Apple Pay. Whatever is easiest for you.
Great. I'll pay with my card.
All set. Here's your receipt. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything for now. I really appreciate your help. It's nice to find a place that sells fresh local produce.
Thank you. We do our best to bring the best quality to our customers. And don't forget, we get new deliveries every week, so there's always something fresh and seasonal.
That's good to know. I'll definitely be coming back. It's so much nicer than shopping at the big supermarkets.
We hear that from a lot of customers. There's something special about knowing where your food comes from and supporting local farmers. We try to keep our prices competitive too, so you're getting good value for fresh, high-quality produce.
It's definitely worth it. Thank you again and have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your salad and fruit. See you next time.
Thanks, bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to support the growth of this channel. Good luck and see you in the next one.